ClickUp Tutorial for Beginners, how to use ClickUp as your CRM in 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to this great video, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to use ClickUp as a CRM. In more detail, this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to set up your ClickUp for customer relationship management and how to use its powerful and robust features to manage your contacts and sales pipeline. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, firstly, what we're going to do is obviously we're going to sign up with our ClickUp, and it's a pretty basic and easy sign up process. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to the ClickUp site, as you can see. We're going to click on sign up. Now, once you click on sign up, it says enter your work email. Now, I'm going to be using a temp email for myself, but if you're doing this for the long run and for like huge work purposes, I recommend that you do use your proper email. So I'm just going to add that in, and I'm going to click on get ClickUp. Now, once you click on that, it's going to obviously redirect you through all the things. So you're going to add your full name. I'm just going to do that. There we go. Then again, put in your email and then your password. Make sure you have a strong and well password so no one can mess around with it. And once you've done that, you're going to obviously go ahead with ClickUp. Here it says we just emailed you your verification code, and here it is. It's 3057. So I'm just going to enter it, 3057. There we go. Now, once we've entered 3057, it says, welcome, John Leahy. Our mission is to make you more productive. This will only take a minute. We're going to click on let's do it. Name your workspace. You can name it anything. I'm going to keep it John Leahy's workspace. Customize your workspace avatar. Again, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to make it, give it that color. I'm happy so far. Choose your favorite color theme. I'm going to go with a purple shade. Okay. And once I've gone with that shade, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on I'm happy so far. How many people will you be working with? Name whatever amount of people you have. I'm going to go with 26 for 50. How do you want to start using ClickUp? So obviously we're going to be using it as a CRM. So we're going to go sales and CRM, and we're going to click on next. How did you hear about us? Just go with anything. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to go with YouTube. Invite people to your workspace. If there are any, you can put them, or you can just skip it by clicking on I'm done. How do you use one of these apps? So it's going to ask this because accordingly it's going to make integrations with these apps. So you have Slack, you have Zapier, you have Teams, Zoom, GitHub, GitLab, etc. You can add them. I'm not going to add them for now. To use any of these tools for project management, it asks this because then accordingly to this, it can import your data from that to ClickUp CRM. So you can do that as well. I'm going to go with no thanks, and that's it. Now go and change the world, and don't forget to have fun. And finally, once we're done with that, we're going to click on play with ClickUp, and here we are. Stand by, we're getting ClickUp ready. Now, once all of that is done, we're going to wait for it to load, and here we are. This is our ClickUp workspace. Now, the first thing you need to do is to, properly, this is like a template workspace that they provide us with. Okay, as you can see, click here to open this task, learn about powerful task description, all that stuff. But what we need to do is we need to properly set up our workspace. So you can set up your workspace by creating a new space and then adding lists and tasks to it. So basically, how do you create a new space? You're going to come here, you're going to click on new space. Let's call it new. You can also choose a template if you want to. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to continue with that later on in the video. I'm just going to create a new one now and click on next. Again, choose the colors if you want to, doesn't matter. I'm just going to keep on going next, review space. Once you've done that, you're going to click on create. And once you click on create, as you can see, you have created a new space for yourself. Now, in this new space, we're going to create a list called contacts and sales pipeline, because obviously we're going to be doing CRM for ourselves. So let's create tasks, or let's create, different lists in it called contacts, sales pipeline. So let's go ahead. We're going to go here and list. Now, once you're in list, here we are. So in list, we're going to go in new task. We're going to write contacts. Okay. And here we're going to write sales pipeline. There we go. So now that we have two lists called contacts and sales pipelines, we can start adding tasks to them. So you're probably wondering what tasks are. So basically, you could say this task, we can add each of our customer, their, contact details and stuff. And once we add all that, We can like assign our work people to do something. Maybe you want to import them to some CSV or something like that. You can do that. You can also customize the task fields to include important information about each contact, such as their name, email address, phone number, and any notes you want to add. And you can just add notes over here, as you can see. So now what you can do is you can basically, once you've done adding the custom fields and everything, what you're going to do is you're going to set up more tasks in ClickUp. You can use the search and filter features to quickly find and organize your contacts. You can also add tags to your tasks to categorize them by industry, location, or any other criteria you choose. Now, how are you going to do that? Again, go on whatever task you have, or what you can do is just stay here in the list. You're going to go on filter, and once you go on filter, you can like give tags or statuses. Tags is you can select a tag, or let's say if you have a status is, it could be active, it could be closed. And once you put that in, obviously it's going to filter all those things out. So you get the point. Now let's move on to the sales pipeline. Okay. Now, this is where we'll track our sales opportunities and progress. For each potential sale, we'll create a task with custom fields to track important details, such as deal size, the stage of the sales process, and the expected close dates. Basically, again, you're going to add all that information over here as per se. And obviously, once you have added all the information, all the details, again, you can filter it if you want to. ClickUp's powerful task management features, you can easily move these tasks from one stage of the sales pipeline to another. So let's say you're going to go in board, okay? Once you go in the board, you can also get, this Kanban view. So just drag it like this from, complete to that or complete to this. And you get the point, and you can add more statuses if you want to. So it's pretty basic and pretty easy stuff. And finally, let's go and take a look at some of the other features of ClickUp that make it a great CRM tool. You can use the calendar view. If we go in view over here, here's the calendar view. You're going to click on add view, and you can use this calendar view to see all your upcoming sales calls and meetings in one place, and the activity feed to use a history of all the changes made to your task. So yeah, basically that's about it. Here's your activity feed. Okay, you can add that, see all the changes. Let's say you want to undo some change, and you can like use all of these together to like do the best CRM work you can.
So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.